I'm going to start my crystal WhatsApp workshop. I tell you, my friends, I love crystals, their energies. I'm super excited to start this course and share my little knowledge, whatever I have learned from last so many years from my various gurus, my masters, my mentors. They have taught me lovely things, lovely energies of these crystals. I'm so blessed to share everything with you. And these are the tumble stones which you can see here in the video. And my house is filled with crystals because they have amazing energies, guys. And once you get connected with these energies, you'll come to know what I'm saying right now and how you'll feel. This is a beautiful experience what you'll have in this workshop. Now here comes my tea light holder. This is of rose quartz. It's a very heavy one, nice weight, and I love lighting my tea lights every day in this candle holder. Tea light holder. Now here comes my selenite. This is a selenite wand, and it is basically used to cleanse the other crystals and cleanse anything. Like I'm cleansing my tarot cards. I always keep like this. And here are my beautiful natural, clusters. See, they're beautiful energies. Here is my citrine. Citrine is meant to attract abundance, opportunities, and everything new and happy in your life. So these are my crystal. These are citrine crystal. There goes my tea light holder. This one is of bloodstone and half of the aventurine. And again, these are my tumble stones. And yes, how can I forget my bracelet? I'll show you. This is my bracelet. This is, the quality is very, very superb quality. This is carnelian and this is cut work. It is very, very, very precious for me. It has lovely energies. I really want you all to feel these energies, to feel the magic of crystals all around you. I'll be sharing few audios with you. Whatever I have learned till date, I'll try to share maximum with you guys. And I hope you'll enjoy. Thank you so much for always believing in me. I'm so happy to have this lovely group of people around me. Lovely people, lovely energies. And again, I'll tell you that I love you guys. God bless you, and I hope you will get best of the time. You'll learn the best in this crystal workshop. God bless you. Love you all.